Gay baby. It's a gay baby. Gay baby. Gay, gay, gay. Please be gay. Oh. Okay. Be what you want to be, but be gay. Okay? Thank you. Right? No pressure. No pressure, but pressure.
Yes, I know some people will say she is right, but I don't see this to be okay. Yes, welcome back. I don't know if you have seen this. A student bar from his high school graduation ceremony after stating there are only two genders said in a Sunday interview on Fox and Friends that a firefighting job offer has now been reconsidered. Girls are girls and guys are guys. There is no in between. Lahore made the off script comment at a high school assembly where senior at Idaho High School offer a piece of advice to younger students.
Boy, Travis, it's so nice to have you on. You're a brave young man. I'm sure that you expected some social shaming, maybe, for saying something that was true, but I'm sure you didn't expect to be banned from graduation. And explain what's going on with your job.
So, uh, I went in to finish up my final paperwork. I was supposed to start Sunday, and I was informed by my boss after I'd finished my paperwork that he was going to rescind his offer to me.
What job was
And
this?
I was supposed to go fight wildland forest fires.
Wow. You're getting a lesson at a very young age about what this cultural revolution we're living through is. So my understanding is that the most vocal teacher, the art teacher, is somebody who describes herself as a nasty woman, who has put on a production of the, helped with the production of monologues, which, you know, is, explain to me her relationship with the sheriff, who's also now said that the protests are and all these other things.
As far as I know, they're married and are pro at all. Nobody did anything. We were just there to let me walk. Basically, that was our message. That's why everybody came together, was in hopes that I could walk at graduation. Sadly, that didn't happen, but
If somebody told me that in 223 I'll be seeing this, I would say it's a lie. So we don't have opinions again. These are simple facts that we don't even need to argue. You just need to state them. And few years back, it was okay. Like when you say there are only two genders, you have no problem. So even writing in exam rooms, it was okay. But now I believe if you write this in some schools, you will fail, obviously, because they now believe facts are no longer considered. Just look at a small something that we know is a truth being rejected, you know, from the graduation ceremony. It saddens my heart, to actually see that our society is being tilted in this direction because we have people that cannot stand up to defend themselves. I'm glad that he came, to actually demonstrate, peacefully so they can understand that what they're doing is not right. I saw a little boy about 12 years old dragging a school after putting on a t-shirt there are only two gender. He was suspended. I don't know if this is actually a political statement because real facts like these should not offend any person. But I now claim this is offending.
If people speak up like I did, in the way that I did, it it's not right. It seems frowned upon. You can be punished for it. Obviously, like I'm being punished.
Yeah. You're not
So,
the only one who lost a job, right? I mean, there was a bus driver at the school who was
yeah,
at
my
the
best
protest.
friend as well,
Yeah.
who was supposed to work with me this summer.
He lost his job at fighting fires, and then the bus driver did too. How has
Yeah.
the support from your community made you feel?
It's reassuring to know that I'm not alone, and realize what I did wasn't wrong. Basically,
Did they ask you to apologize at any point?
no, I wasn't asked to apologize.
You wouldn't have anyway, I'm assuming.
No, because what I said, I believe in, and I stand by it.
Yeah. Well, you're an American, and you believe in biology and science. And as a woman, I want to thank you for standing up for our gender, which is being erased and mocked by this really perverse gender ideology theory. I think you're a brave young man, and I think your parents raised you right. And thank you for standing
Thank
up.
you.
And I'm sorry for all that's happened, and I hope that this gets sorted out. And I'm sorry you missed your moment for your graduation. But last thoughts on what
that's okay.
What's the lesson for you? What have you learned from this?
I guess I've learned actions have consequences. Whether I was in the wrong or right, which I believe I was in the right, things will still come of what you do. And obviously, a lot's happened. Wasn't able to walk a graduation.
These people are eradicating science. I really don't know if they can stand again and talk about science to me with all I'm saying. Just look at how this guy is feeling. But being this strong makes me happy because I see hopes that there are still people that can stand up to defend themselves in some strong situation like this. It is just like a clip I put out a few minutes ago where BlackRock CEO said it clear that they force behaviors into companies. You can't force us. You can't force in what you believe in into me. And there is no way absolutely you can do that. If I don't like something or I don't believe in something, you cannot force me.
Of some swimwear. That's what's animated these right-wing boycotts. But all of this outrage and these boycotts from the wing of the pro-business party is actually hurting the bottom line for some of these companies.
Yes.
Yeah, it's about the storm.
Okay.
Storm.
We're absolutely committed to freedom of speech and a level playing field.